Good morning, dear students. Hope you are all good in home. Okay, today we will continue the chapter simplification. Okay, so let us do the activity 2. Let us do the activity 2. That is, the first heading is simplify using BODMAS rule. Simplify using BODMAS rule. I took the first problem. So this is 64 divided by 16 into 3 plus 2. Okay. So according to BODMAS rule, we know that first we have to solve the problem. So solve the sum are the problem which is inside the bracket, and then half we should take, and then division, multiplication, addition, and then last subtraction. Okay. So by following that rule, we will solve this problem now. Okay. So what is there inside the bracket we should see. What is there inside the bracket we should see. So as it the remaining numbers and signs we should write as it is. Okay. 64 divided by 16 into, inside the bracket 3 plus 2 is there. That's why we need to solve these two. That's why I underlined these numbers. Okay. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. So then according to BODMAS rule, so after the bracket, so we have divided by. We have the sign divided by. So I will underline this one. So 16 divided by 64 divided by 16. So when we divide the 64 by 16, so 16, okay, so we should learn the table 16, okay. So 16, so how many times it go? 16? 16 fours are 64. 16 fours are 64. So here, so instead of writing 64 divided by 16, so I wrote 4 and into 5. So as it is, I took this one. So then multiplication, so that is 4 into 5, 4 5s are so 20. So this is the answer for this. In the same way, I took the next problem. So 40 divided by 1 plus 6 minus 2. So inside the bracket is there. So plus 5. So here we should take whatever so that is a bar is there. First we need to, inside the bracket, first we should solve. So inside that, so wherever the bar is there, first we need to solve that one. So that's why I will write, so the remaining numbers as it is. 6 minus 2 is 4. So then other numbers as it is. So then 40 divided by 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. So then remaining numbers I will write as it is. So according to BODMAS rule, so first we need to solve the division. So 5 table, 5 8s are 40. So instead of this I will write 8. So then plus 5, 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay. So like this, by following the BODMAS rule, we need to solve the problems. Okay. So then I will move on to next problem. So the next problem is 17 plus 8 17 plus 8 minus 5 plus 10 divided by 5. So this is the problem. So we need to solve that is the numbers inside the bracket, the problem inside the bracket. So that's why I will write the remaining numbers as it is. So 10 divided by 5, 5 2s are 10. That's why, so 2, instead of writing this, so I wrote 2. So then we need to take this one which is inside the bracket. So remaining 8 minus, I will write as it is. 5 plus 2 is 7. So then, so I need to solve this bracket, which is the numbers which is inside this bracket. 8 minus 7 is 1. So then at last 17 minus 1 is 8. Okay. So this is how, so we have solved the problem by following the BODMAS rule. Okay, let us take the next problem. So 14 plus 3, inside the bracket we have 34 minus 18. So minus 14. that is bar is there under the that is above this 18 minus 14 divided by 3, again inside the bracket 6 into 2 plus 17 minus 2 into 7. So first we will solve whatever inside the bracket. So I will write 14 plus 3. So inside 34 minus, so which is under the bar, that numbers will solve first. 18 minus 4 is 4. So then again in this we will solve. So this remaining I will write as it is, and whatever inside the bracket, small bracket, that we will solve first. 7 2s are 14. Okay. So I have solved which are the numbers which are inside the bigger bracket. Okay. So then again 14, 3 into 34 minus 4 is 30. So divided by 3. So then here inside the bracket I will take a BODMAS rule. So again 6 2s are 12 is there. 12 plus 17 minus 14 I will write as it is. So then 14 plus 3 3s are 9. 30 into 3. This bracket is nothing but into. This bracket means that it is nothing but into. So 30 3s are 90 divided by 3. So which is inside addition. 12 plus 17. 7 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. So like this I will write then 14 plus 90 divided by, I will write as it is this one, and then 29 minus 14 we need to do. So 9 minus 4 is 5, 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. So that is 15. I will write instead of these two. And then again 14 plus 90 divided by 15 3s are, this bracket is nothing but it is multiplication. 15 3s are 45. Okay. So then we need to follow the BODMAS rule again, that division we need to do first. So 14 plus I will write as it is 45. 45 2s are 90, isn't it? 45 2s are 90. That's why instead of writing 90 divided by 45, I wrote 2. So then 14 plus 2 is 16. So last answer is 16. Okay. So let us take the next problem in the same heading. So 17 plus, so inside the bracket 11 minus 8 plus 3 minus 9 of, directly they have given of 6 plus 7 minus 13 into 4. This is the problem given. So I will solve one by one, which is inside the bracket. So inside this, so this is the whole thing which is inside the bracket, inside the small bracket, isn't it? So that's why I need to write this 8 plus 3 also as it is. So 9 of 6 means 9 into 6 plus 7 minus, so 13 into 4. So this half I took it as, so into, this half is nothing but, so into, so before multiplication the half comes, O comes, that is half comes, that's why. So I need to solve this one first. So 8 plus 3, 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 7 minus 13 4s are 52. 13 4s are 52. Okay. So like this, and then so we have removed this one from that is we will write this bracket. Because we need to solve some more. 17 minus 11 minus 8 plus 3. 15 plus 7 is 61. 54 plus 7 is 61. Then minus 52 is there. So that's why. So 11, this is 5. 11 minus 2 is 9. So 0. So by solving all this I got 9. So then I need to solve which is inside this bracket. So 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 minus 9 is, so 2. 11 minus 9 is 2. So this inside this bracket also. So over. Then 17 minus 11 minus 2 is 9. So 17 minus 9. Okay, 17 minus 9 is nothing but 8. So this is the last answer of this problem. Okay. So we will write next one. Okay, this is all about this problem. So let us take the next one. So first you need to use the bracket. You need to solve the problem which is inside the bracket and then half and then division, multiplication, addition and then subtraction. Okay, so then 9 plus 20 minus 3 of 5 plus 20 plus 40 minus 25 divided by 5. So this is the problem given. This is the problem. So first 20 minus 3 of 5, 3 of 5, isn't it? So 3 of 5 means 3 5s are 15 plus, so 20, so this we need to solve this one. So 20 plus 40, this remains as it is, minus 5 5s are 25, so I wrote instead of these two I wrote 5. So then 9 plus 20 minus 15 plus, but first we will solve the numbers inside the bracket. 20 plus 40 is 60, 60 minus 5 is 55. So we have solved the numbers inside the bracket, and then so we will solve the numbers. So inside this bracket now, 9 plus 20, before doing minus we should do plus of this. So 20 minus 50, so plus, this is also plus and this is also plus. 55 plus 20 we do first, so 75 will come, and then minus 15, 60 will come. So inside this bracket whatever is there, so that gives the answer 60, and then so by adding these two we got 69. So this is the answer for this problem. Okay, so we have solved so many problems from this first main, that is simplify using the BODMAS rule. Okay, let us take the next heading, mental math corner, in page number 45. In that first main is tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. In that I took this one. So 30 into 8. In that also, in this also we should follow the BODMAS rule. So according to BODMAS rule, first we need to solve the division. So 30 into 2 4s are 8. That's why 4 instead of that. So and then multiplication is taken. 4 zeros are 0, 4 3s are 12, 120. 34s are 120. 60, 22, 120 plus 60 is 180, so then minus 22, 180 minus 22, so 10 minus 2 is 8, 7 minus 2 is so 5, okay, so then 1, so okay, 158 is the answer, 158 is the answer. Here they have given 158, first one is the answer for this. And then when I take the second one, 95 minus 75 divided by 5 plus 60. 95 minus, so we have to solve this by BODMAS rule. So 5 divided by 75. 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. So again I need to carry the 5. 5 5s are 25. So 0. 15 is the answer. 15 5s are 75. Okay. So then I need to add this 95 minus 75. So when we do minus of these two, we will get 20. Okay. So here that is so this is 95 minus. So we got 95 minus 75 divided by 5 plus 60. So 95 minus, so 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. So 5 5s are 25, so I got 15 plus 60. So when I do these two are plus, 95 plus 60 I need to do first. So 9 plus 6 is 155. So when I do minus of 15, 0, 5 minus 1 is 4, 1. So 140 is the answer for this. 140, third one is the answer for this. Okay. So in the same way, third one. Okay. So third one is 5 plus 10 divided by 5 into 3 minus 6. Okay, this is the next problem. So here 5 the division I have to take 5 plus 5 2s are 10 into 3 minus 6. So I need to take multiplication, then 3 2s are 6 minus 6. Then I need to take addition, then so 11 minus 6. So it gives 5. It gives 5 as an answer. So second one is the answer for the third one. So next 4 bracket 88 plus 2 divided by 9. So then minus 25. Okay. So first I need to solve which is inside the smaller bracket. So that's why 4 I wrote as it is. 88 plus 2 is 90. 90 divided by 9. Divided by 9. So 90 divided by 9. 9 tens are 90. So inside the bracket 10 will come. 10 9 tens are 90. So 10 fours are 40. 40 minus 25 is, so 40 minus 25 is, so 10 minus 5 is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so 15 is the answer for, so fourth one, so that is second one is the answer. Okay, so this is about mental math corner, so solved by using the BODMAS rule. So next is also same, fill in the blanks you need to, so do the same by following the BODMAS rule only you need to solve that problem. So and then write true or false. This also the same case, one problem we do. So in the second main one problem I do, and in third main one problem I do. So then in the second main 8 divided by 8 into 8 plus 8 minus 8. Okay, so this is fill in the blanks. Second main, fill in the blanks. So division 8 ones are 8. So instead of 8 divided by 8 I wrote 1 into 8 plus 8 minus 8. Into 8 is nothing but 8 ones are 8 only. So 8 minus 8 I will write here. 8 plus 8 16 minus 8 is 8 again. So the answer is 8 for this. Answer is 8 for this. And then write true or false. Write true or false. In the third main. So I take one problem in third main. So third main. In simplification. Okay. So one problem we'll do. 15 into 2 plus 120 divided by 20 minus 6 is equal to 36. Is it true or false? They have asked, isn't it? Is it true or false? Yes, we need to do the same thing. 15 into 2 plus 20. 26 are. Okay. So 26 are 120. So minus 6 is equal to 36. We will see. So the, when I solve this, I will get 36 or not. So then multiplication. 15 2s are 30 plus 6 minus 6. Okay. So 30 plus 6 is 36 minus 6. 36 minus 6 if it is done, what is the answer? 30 is the answer. But they have given 36 in a so RHS, that is RHS, that's why. So this is false. This is the D1 is false for this problem. Okay, like this. So you need to write, if the correct answer came on both sides LHS and RHS, then it is true. Otherwise it is a false. Okay. So then in review exercise, I'll take, this is all about the mental math corner. So when I come to the review exercise we will do. So in review exercise, first they have in first main, write a mathematical expression for each of the following using brackets. Okay. So 6 multiplied to the difference. 6 multiplied to the difference of 17 and 11. They have given the expression, they have given the words like this, sentence like this. We need to express it in numbers. Okay, numbers and signs. 6 multiplied to the difference of 17 minus 11. 6 is multiplied means I put a bracket because difference of 17 minus 11 should be written. Okay. So this is one. And then second one, subtract 13 from the, the next problem is subtract 13 from the product of 5 9. This is the answer for that. And then C1, C problem, add 7 multiplied by 5. Multiplied by 5, add 7 multiplied by 5 to the difference of 5 and 3. Okay, add 7 multiplied by 5 to the difference of, okay, multiplied by 5 to the difference of 5 minus 3. Okay, so add 7 multiplied by 5 so to the difference of these two. And then D1, 20 divided by 5 subtracted from 16. 20 divided by 5 subtracted from 16. Subtracted from 16 means we need to write the 16 in the first place. Okay, so then E problem, 24 added to 15. 24 added to 15 divided by 5. 24 added to 15 divided by 5. So then F problem. The problem F. Divide the sum of 13 and 7. So by the difference of 7 minus 2. Divide the sum of 13 and 7 by the difference of 7 minus 2. Okay, this is how to write the expressions for the given sentences. Okay, next, so next heading is simplify. In the review exercise, so next heading is simplify. So here also the same rules are followed as it is like BODMAS, and we have to solve the problems. So I will do the first problem. So 100 okay, this is the problem given. First problem, 100 minus 20 plus 40 minus 30 minus 20. Okay, so first we need to solve the problem which is inside the small bracket. 100 minus 20 plus 40, so 30 minus 20 is 10. Okay, so then 100 minus 20 plus 40 plus 10 is 40. Oh, here minus is there now, so here minus is there. 30 minus 20 is 10. 40 minus 10 is 30. So 100 minus 50. So this when solved, so I get 50. So 100 minus 50 is 50. So 50 is the answer for the first problem. First I solved these two, and then I solved these two, and then I got to solve this one and then this one. Like this, we need to do step by step. We need to do this problem step by step. So and then I will take another problem in this, another problem. So then 7 divided by 7 into 7 plus 7 minus 7 minus 5 minus 5 plus 5 into 5 divided by 5. So this is a very lengthy problem which includes only the numbers 7 and 5. First I need to solve inside the bracket. 7 divided by 7 is 1 into 7 plus 7 minus 7 I will write as it is. So here also I should solve this one first. 5 minus 5. 5 ones are, isn't it? 1. So then multiplication, 7 ones are 7 plus 7 minus 7. So I need to do this one first. So 5 minus I will write as it is. So 5 ones are 5. So I will write as it is. Then 7 plus 7 is 14 minus 7 I will get. So here 5 plus 5 both are having plus plus. That's why 5 plus 5 is 10. So 10 minus 5 I will get. 14 minus 7 is 7, 10 minus 5 is 5, 7 minus 5 is 2. So last answer I got is 2. Okay, so this is about this problem. Then we will solve this problem, 9 of 600. Okay, first I need to solve this which is inside the bracket. So then So when I take this smaller bracket which is inside the bigger bracket, so remaining I will write as it is. So 14 of 650 means into, so that is we should write 2 into 50 we should write. Divided by, so 3 plus 4 of 250 we should write. So 9 of 600. So 14, so we need to solve this one. 650 into 4. Okay. So 14 0. 14 0 is 0. So 14 5 is 70. 7 carry. So 14 6 is. So 14 6 is. 14 5 is. So 84. 84. So 84 plus 7 is 91. 91. So 14 0 is 0. 14 5 is 70. 0. 7 carry. 14 6 is. So 84. 84 plus 7 is, so 91. Okay. 84 plus 7 is 91. So this is the problem. 52 is 100. So inside the bracket we should write divided by 3 plus. So 254 is 1000 it is. Then when I do this, 9 6 is 5400 minus this is 900, 9000 again. 9100 minus 100 is 9000. So then, so I should put bracket here plus 1000. So then this division we should do. So this 3 3s are 9. This is 3000 by solving these two. So then 1000. So these two are plus 1. So 5400 plus 1000 is 6400 minus 3000. So when I do subtraction of these two, I will get 3400. Okay. So this is how this problem is solved step by step. Okay. So then we will move on to the next problem. Okay. So this is all about simplification, only using the BODMAS method. So let us solve one more problem, last one. So that is 22 divided by 2 plus 12 inside the bracket 14 minus 4. So 10, so 12. Okay. So this is how the problem is. So when I take this 22 divided by 2 plus 12, 14 minus 4 I should solve first, because under the bar, what are the numbers are there, we should solve that one first. 14 minus 4 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. So inside the bracket we all this is covered. So then, so I should write this 22 divided by, so 2 plus, so 20 into 12. 20 into, so 12. So we should do 20 into 12. So 12 zeros are 0, 12 twos are 24 divided by 12. I need to write. So then we should solve these two. 2 11s are 22. 22 divided by 11, 22 divided by 2 is 11. So then 240. 12 twos are 24. 12 20s are 240. So then 31 I get. So this is all about the problems, so in the simplification chapter. Okay. So remaining problems you need to solve all. Thank you so much, dear student. So please solve the problems in a textbook. Okay. So whatever the problems are there in the textbook, you should solve in the SLA book. Thank you.